Dear all, I would like to invite you for the upcoming question and answer session. I would suggest not to teach them about the rules and regulations, and she shouldn't be teaching about forgiveness at this moment, because the children's judgment are wonderful. They have judged well. Social distancing is very important. Quarantine and being at home is it's situationally right at this moment. We all need to carry on like this for some time at least, and we all follow our country's law and regulations. Once children are aware of it and they are following it, I think they need appreciation for whatever they are doing it. They don't need a forgiveness training at this moment. But here one point is, she spoke about, that children are getting upset and angry. It shouldn't become an habitual practice for the children to be angry or to be upset for the reasons which they don't actually, they can't do anything about it. They can be reflective, they can show an emotional feeling, and they can say that it's not right or this is not the way it should be. They can they can communicate their disappointments with the parent, but they need not go through emotional stress or distress like anger or being upset. Slowly I wouldn't slowly it shouldn't develop onto something else as well. Being young children, they need to draw a clear line of what really is pertinent to them, and when to become angry and when not to become angry, when not to take all this issue as very important in their life. So with that kind of a resolve, children will feel much better. So helping them learning the resolving technique is more important than forgiveness technique. They can say that, now you are intelligent children, you are aware of all these things, and you are right, but those people are ignorant, unaware. So we should do something about this. We should make some statements or some videos or some more ideas. We should bring in some more ideas where these ignorant people understand and be aware of self-distancing concepts. That will help them, help the children to learn about other people with different ideas and different concepts in their mind. So that's the important thing, and that is the resolve which help the children to learn. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and click the notification icon for updates.